Anong difference ng dalawa? Devoir et falloir. So, devoir, again, it's an obligation for specific person. So, who must do something? So, it should have a noun or pronoun. Okay, example, je dois étudier ce soir. I must study tonight. So, sino ang dapat mag-study? Ako. Okay, tu dois écouter le professeur. So, sino dapat makinig sa professor? Ikaw. Nous devons arriver à l'heure. So, sino dapat dumating on time? Tayo. We. So, meron siyang specific na taong inuutusan. Kaya, devoir. May specific na taong gagawa ng task. Okay? While ang falloir, it's general. As I've said earlier, it's general. It means it's necessary. Okay? One must do the action but walang specific na tao. Okay? Pangkalahatan. So, example, il faut étudier pour réussir. It's necessary to study, to succeed. Okay? Il faut de l'eau pour vivre. It's necessary. The water is necessary to live. Okay? Il faut dormir suffisamment. So, it's necessary to sleep sufficiently. So, kumbaga, pangkalahatan para sa ating lahat yung sinasabi. Is it clear yung difference ng devoir and falloir?